Okay, let's have a quick trivia about broccoli. So broccoli is very low in calories, providing only 31 calories per cup, and it is a good source of protein and iron. And by the way, did you know that eating broccoli is a great source of vitamins K and C? Also provides potassium fiber and helps cuts and wounds heal. And definitely broccoli can help burn belly fat too. Okay. So guys, here's the ingredients. Prepare this broccoli, chopped onion, garlic, cornstarch, beef loaf, and other seasonings. So we need to heat the pan with oil, and once heated, please put the onion and garlic, and we need to wait this until it turns into brown color. So we need to mix it using ladle, and while waiting, let's go back to our cornstarch. We need to put small amount of hot water and stir it well in order to combine the mixture evenly. Alright, so let's actually wait for a few minutes, and let's go back to our sauteed garlic and onions. So we need to add the meaty beef loaf that is cut into cubes and mix it well again until it turns brown or cooked. Alright, so let's actually season it with your own seasonings, but here I added small amount of pepper, and let's mix it again, and once it turns into brown, let's add the cornstarch mixture. Alright, so and then we need to mix it again using ladle. Mix evenly. Alright, alright, so please wait for 2 or 3 minutes on it, and afterwards we need to add the broccoli. Okay, but just to make sure, you need to wash the broccoli properly, and then please mix it well, and just to make sure that it all combines the ingredients on the pan. Okay, and add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce or toya, and again need to mix it with ladle, and of course add 2 cups of water for additional soup on it, then season it as your taste desires. Alright, so let it boil for 5 minutes just to make sure that the broccoli would be cooked. Yay! It's almost done! I have my meaty broccoli specialty. Perfect for meal, for dinner, or for lunchtime. And there you have it, ready to serve. Perfect meal with my utang Bisaya. So guys, please give me a comment, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching.